said no, I think you better say yes. You better call back to the community, starting afresh. Now you share some more kind what they said no. Bibia ya bibia fa wan na so say ne etia enetie. You better say documentary no so na ye de ama ye tie for ene ye hwe for. Let us know my hu ne onso so be pese ubehu ewe your community connect programs no emu. So when me amfra no problem. Ubetimi aye a comment say ewe YouTube and also say Facebook na you be taking note of expectation no na ye de aka ye planning no ho ye de aka ye programs no ehu.
AFIBA.
Yes, dear.
Speaking on presenting a year Coastal TV a report to MCs, no, I think it's very, very much important.
Yeah.
Media, a major role, and say we voice out, we give the people, you know, we act as their voice.
Yeah.
Our problems in Yamaniamano, your born who they rule. But then I think moving forward, we should also be able to move from that a little bit, and then channel, you know, some sort of energy onto these ministries.
Okay.
Yes, inti say you be a fine media, bebo who de rune nema, but yen so say ye timi etu anamo e present sa nema no e de ma ministries no na say moving forward ye nim say ya bo who de rule, and we have, you know, submitted a report to them. If they fail to do that, then it means that it is out of their own negligence and not, you know, submitting to the will of the people. And see, I think that one too is very, very important. So say, and I will say ministries and so media no yetimi they, you know, a lot of pressure at home. So we shouldn't just do the announcement and he say these grievances no they will pay. No, we should also channel whatever energy it is to the ministries. And I say if they fail to submit to the will of the people, then they need to be questioned.
That's true. That's true. Many way are doing ewo hono so. Into no, and also ye bibia ye de beka ho because Cape Coast we have a number of them. I mean, ministry bia ewo ne department ewo Cape Coast. Yeah, in as much as we are not in the capital city no, ministry bia uko health, education, sanitation, deben obia one department ewo asenti no. Moving forward no, ye report na so ebeko yentimi emu MCA krana yadebeko ministries, and the ministries responsible for that particular issue no now
Cape Coast,
in Cape Coast, yeah, no metu anamo ede afa ho me sure so baby say na Cape Coast nkwa na moye community connect. What about other areas in Pacho enye Cape Coast nkwa ne mom no, because eye program afi na ya sha ase ani ntino na ye we fie ni ya hwe se na ebesi akọ nti se ekoyie na eyi a na efe ye de na yesiesi anu an fresh kama no ye de abre moso amowo outside Cape Coast nti obi a anticipating obi a nhwe yenim se emre ko nanim no ye beba wo community ho by all means na ye ne wo ababedi nkita ho nti emo obi a nka na koma entu ne yem aseda enko emma Coastal TV management may come from CEO, programs manager, my station manager, production, obia make management no as that enkoma omo say omoji tu mu say eye si ebeye bibia eti say na me san so fast dey mu odin. In fact as that we no eso sin ni nyina emfamba staff na nkasa an nipa ya de a osayeye me ankasa me ka ho Omar bin Abdallah me yekọ MC a hoso a Ben ewo ho J ewo ho me ka DELPHINA so eka ho wa ha sei ana nkofa eno mo share community connect program na say a bia say wonhu omo ewo your screens eso Asarba Kofi Esuman, shout out to you baby a wo bia no ye say Yakupon Koswa na onhya edwuma bia wudi an udi no enkoso san say sa yenya mumu anke bia yentimi amfa Coastal TV Community Connect program no amba beju baby edwi mama V baby a wo bia nso no ye de nhya kese ene na ase kese ma wo sa na ye camera person Philip Mensa nyame hwa pa ne madaja munya ye ma Coastal TV. We had a driver some time ago, I've forgotten his name.
No, Uncle Moses say,
and I say,
case.
Me sure for I no make pass for no answer no about current for.
Okay.
Oh, we had a driver. I forgotten his name. Because we didn't remember that was why, but I mean sure. And a champion driver. Mr. Theophilus Sego Mensa, aka Uncle Moose. Oba ne mrane se empe djuma obeje so se ewi na ebeye. Nyame insha also babia obia no anope me nchia kese e de ma me gidi se anope yi ohoye anope yi me gidi se ohoye enti nyame insha. Aka hwan. Me bo register me sha na me re nfi obia so ma so ayehye. Mr. Deladem Kise, station manager, Nyame Insha. Nyame Insha pa in pase eko yenim no, we'll do wonderful things together.
I will see you.
I will see you. Mrs. Nyomi, me shall say free management. Okay. It's obi a Coastal TV team no. Any ye intense a mo be share ye wo intense a mo ba no mo come ye intense every now and then. Mo nyina so nyame ehia mo. Any current ones am ha. Nyame ehia me ka che mo say na me intense be interview mo lucky time ko. I me from ma ba say. But nyame ehia obi a assembly members, unit committee members, nananom ye damase. Say ye ba mo communities a mo gi ye fe so. Aha na yetimi ede ye community connect program no ehyehyɛ so nyemo a yentimi nye community connect ewo mo mpesu anso nti yeda mo asepa support no mo nkwaso na mo mfa maye community citizens aye ba mo pia bonten na mo ne ye ebedi nkita ho no so no aseda ne bi enko emfa mamo na mensa ma aseda kese enso enko eye health directorate metro health directorate aha so every now and then most and day resource persons e must say one health issue be a person e bon de hu no so a mo the resource persons e ba yankopon enhyamo all the institutions fire service NCCE EPA narcotics education ministry guidance and counseling. What I can't me war register to pay me what
umbo bidi na nipa ni wa benya asem
bacho kofi kinata kana asem anti wina master onye gidigidi mesrew so mambo din ha just know that we really appreciate nyamo ye nyina mo nka ho a community connect program no entimi enkoso entino yeda obia aseda I chat to enkoma yaboafo National Petroleum Authority yewo diesel gift shop yewo Nesto Ventures and a Patmo Print yeda obia ase monkoso ana monso ye ase. Thank God it's Friday weekend na yasha ase ayedi no, so make sure that na ye weekend in patch of sister P for brother P for mommy P for daddy P na eja yenko rewind from the weekend stress what you say na ye casual so na pay ye sha say no self control, breathe in and breathe out whenever you are faced with any difficult challenge. Men act out of the ordinary, just breathe in and breathe out, exercise some self control bibia abeye fanya me adum na se echina eba ye wo so kabi jumedie no ye de be hyehyɛ so e wo ha sei sanso e na Sundays ye de ye Sunday program no ebe mamo na anka me kwa abra menya announcement we anka ebe hold me ebe kuri me wo fia sei but mama friend twam se so person unsua news gathering, news reporting, radio and TV presentation, camera handling, video and audio editing, news writing, voice training and diction, interview techniques, digital journalism, media ethics and media law. Opese unsua programs ama wo boso nyina na mpacho. Coastal TV Multimedia Productions at the 6 weeks intensive radio and TV training program aba beboa e saa ekwan no eso me pacho o performs ni bi ato o Coastal TV agrofie efia ya uju Pedu Morocco Park no so a bisa anaso say friend number way 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 program no ebesha ase nyame adoma September 8th nti hyene so sa famaye na beto o forms fe Coastal TV Multimedia Productions, training the next generation of media professionals. Yede nyame jamo ya kramo nyame ya adoma ye besanso ehye mo ma bai
ya ketre mademo onyame free tete nyame no oji abata inde ni me nyame hona le no se ejo nyame obi anu so Asida enya yi bishadi onyame ya enya na sida mboni Asida enya yi bishadi onyame ya enya na sida mboni Dabyo ya yi Asida enya yi bishadi onyame ya Enyana sidamboni Dabyo Ekwa mishadio nyamiaya Mishadio nyamiaya Ode makode maba Mishadio nyamiaya Asida enyae Mishadio nyamiaya Enyana sidamboni Dabyo Mishadio nyamiaya enyana sidambonyo Mishadio nyamiaya enyana sidambonyo Mekwa mishadio nyamiaya Mishadio nyamiaya Mishadio nyamiaya Mama, I'm